L'analisi del comportamento
User Behavior Analytics, or UBA, is a software component that facilitates the identification of threats coming from the internal network, helping SIEM platforms to act autonomously without using manual correlation
regole di
rules.
correlazione mirate. L'applicazione UBA di SGBox
SGBox UBA is designed to collect data related to all user activity, using statistical models to identify the standard behavior in a given period of time, and highlighting abnormal, unusual actions. Each event is evaluated thanks to the historical information collected. It takes into account a series of parameters such as the environment, the frequency, the quantity, and the behavior of other users belonging to the same group.
L'applicazione
Actions that, if they are not statistically acceptable, are immediately associated with the risk factor. The anomaly is highlighted in the SGBox web console and sent to the system administrator, allowing further countermeasures. UBA does not require special configurations, since it uses the accessed events commonly collected by the log management component. The anomalies detected can trigger rules in the correlation engine to undertake countermeasures and interact with external instruments through the APIs. Through the SGBox console, after enabling the application, the information is displayed within dedicated dashboards. The administrator will be able to add new widgets that allow you to view indications related to the user behavior in different ways. The behavior is associated with the risk categories to define a priority. A series of dedicated widgets show, together with other indicators, the associated risk for every event and every system affected by the user activity. UBA allows to easily and automatically identify anomalous behaviors such as privilege escalation and abuse, usually hard to detect. The dynamic dashboard allows the use of filters to highlight only useful information.
per evidenziare solo informazioni utili. Con l'applicazione
With the UBA application, SGBox focuses on threats that are difficult to identify through manual alarm configuration. The aim is certainly not to track the normal user activity. UBA identifies risk associated with internal threats, those arising from credential compromise and privilege abuse, to prevent the loss of confidential data. The functionality helps to overcome the limits of the preventive measures put in place by traditional SIEM platforms.